Welcome to a journey where eating well doesn't mean spending a fortune. It's a common myth that healthy eating is a luxury, but guess what? It's not only possible to eat healthily on a budget, it can also be simple and fun. Did you know that Americans waste approximately $165 billion on food each year? That's a staggering amount, almost like filling up a giant piggy bank and then dropping it into the ocean. We're here to change that. This journey will show you how smart choices can lead to a healthier diet and a fuller wallet. You'll discover the joys of meal planning, where every dish is a new adventure. You'll learn to wield your shopping list like a sword, cutting through the jungle of grocery store temptations. We'll explore the hidden treasures of whole foods, the unsung heroes of generic brands, and the gold mines in bulk buying. Are you ready to unravel the protein puzzle with inexpensive alternatives? Or to dance through the seasons with fresh, affordable produce? Maybe you're excited to explore the frozen food frontier where convenience meets budget-friendly nutrition. This isn't just about saving money, it's about redefining your relationship with food. It's about making healthy eating accessible, enjoyable, and absolutely achievable. So, buckle up. We're about to embark on a deliciously thrifty adventure. Tips 1. The Meal Planning Adventure. Welcome to the world of meal planning, where saving money and eating healthy go hand in hand. Did you know that the average American throws away nearly 250 pounds of food each year? Meal planning is our secret weapon against this waste. It's like going on a treasure hunt, except the treasure is delicious, healthy meals that don't break the bank. Start by thinking about your favorite meals. What do you love to eat? Chicken stir-fry, veggie pasta? Write them down. Planning doesn't have to be boring. It's about exploring the foods you love. Now, let's play a game. Imagine your kitchen is a puzzle. Each piece is an ingredient. When planning, make sure these pieces fit together to create multiple meals. For example, if you buy spinach, think about using it in salads, omelets, and smoothies. Here's a fun fact. Planning meals can cut your grocery bills by up to 25%. That's because you only buy what you need. No more, no less. Remember, the goal is to make meals that are easy, tasty, and healthy. And don't forget snacks. Planning for snacks is like packing an umbrella. It keeps you prepared for sudden cravings. Tips 2. The Mighty Shopping List. Armed with your meal plan, it's time to create the Mighty Shopping List. This list is your shield against the lures of the grocery store. Impulse buys? Not today. In fact, studies show that shopping without a list leads to buying 23% more unnecessary items. When you write your list, group items by store sections. It's like drawing a map to guide you through the store. This way, you're less likely to wander into the land of tempting, unhealthy snacks. And here's a pro tip. Never go shopping on an empty stomach. It's like going into a battle without armor. Hunger can make everything look tempting, leading to choices that are neither healthy nor budget-friendly. Remember, the shopping list is your plan in action. Stick to it like glue. It's not just a list, it's a commitment to eating healthy and saving money. Tips 3. The Joy of Home Cooking. Now let's turn up the heat with some home cooking. Cooking at home is like being the captain of your own ship. You decide what goes into your food, steering clear of unhealthy additives found in many restaurant meals. Did you know that a study found homemade meals are almost always healthier than restaurant food? They have fewer calories and less fat, sugar, and salt. Cooking at home can be a fun adventure. It's not just about saving money. It's about creating something delicious and nutritious. Start with simple recipes. There's no need to be a gourmet chef. Think of your kitchen as a playground. Experiment with spices and herbs. Try new vegetables. Make cooking a joyful journey. Also, cooking at home is a great way to bond with family and friends. It's not just about the food, it's about the memories you create. Sharing a meal you cooked is like sharing a piece of your heart. Tips 4. The Whole Foods Quest. Welcome to the quest for whole foods, where good health and savings go hand in hand. Did you know that processed foods are not only less nutritious, but often more expensive? A study shows that whole foods like fresh vegetables and grains can be up to 50% cheaper than their processed counterparts. Whole foods are the unsung heroes of the grocery store. Think of them as nature's gift, unprocessed with no added sugars or unhealthy fats. When you buy whole foods, you're not just saving money, you're investing in your health. Let's take oats for example. A bag of plain oats is not only cheaper than a box of flavored oatmeal, but also a blank canvas for your creativity. Add fruits, nuts, or a dash of cinnamon for a healthy, budget-friendly breakfast. Shopping for whole foods can be a fun adventure. Explore the produce aisle like it's a treasure trove. Each fruit and vegetable is a gem packed with nutrients and flavor. And don't forget about whole grains and legumes. They're affordable powerhouses of nutrition. Tips 5. The Secret of Generic Brands. Now, let's unveil the secret of generic brands. These store brands are often produced in the same facilities as the name brands. Surprised? Many people are. In fact, A consumer report found that store brands are typically 25% to 30% less expensive than famous brands. Generic brands are like the unsung heroes of the grocery world. They offer the same quality but at a lower price. It's like getting a first-class experience at an economy price. When you choose generic brands, you're not compromising on quality. You're being a smart shopper. Here's a tip. When shopping for generic brands, compare the ingredients with the name brands. You'll often find they're almost identical. So why pay more for the same thing? Embracing generic brands can lead to significant savings over time, allowing you to stretch your food budget further. Tip 6. The bulk buying expedition. Embark on the bulk buying expedition where buying more means spending less. Did you know that buying in bulk can save you up to 89% compared to packaged products? That's a big deal. Bulk buying is like going on a treasure hunt. You'll find grains, nuts, spices, and more at a fraction of the cost. The key is to buy items you use often. This way, you're not just saving money, you're also ensuring you always have your staples on hand. When you buy in bulk, think of your pantry as a bank account. Every bulk item is a deposit into your savings. And here's a fun fact. Bulk items often have less packaging, which means you're also helping the environment. It's a win-win. Tip 7. The protein puzzle. Solving the protein puzzle is essential in our journey to eat healthily on a budget. Who says you have to spend a fortune on meat for your protein? Beans, legumes, tofu, and eggs are not only affordable, but also packed with protein. In fact, a cup of cooked lentils, which costs just pennies, provides about 18 grams of protein. These alternative protein sources are like hidden gems. They're versatile, can be used in a variety of dishes, and are much cheaper than most meats. For example, tofu, a superstar in protein content, can be used in anything from stir-fries to smoothies. And let's talk about eggs. They're like nature's multivitamin, packed with nutrients and costing just cents per serving. Incorporating these proteins into your diet isn't just economical, it's also a step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Producing plant-based proteins often requires less water and land compared to animal proteins. So you're not just saving money, you're also helping the planet. Tips 8. The seasonal shopping spree. Next up, let's go on a seasonal shopping spree. Buying fruits and vegetables in their peak season can lead to big savings. Did you know that produce is often half the price when it's in season? Plus, it's at its peak in both flavor and nutrition. Seasonal shopping is like joining nature's rhythm. In the summer, berries and tomatoes are not only abundant, but also cheaper and tastier. In fall, it's time for apples and squash. Each season brings its own variety of fresh and affordable produce. Shopping seasonally also supports local farmers and reduces the environmental impact of transporting out-of-season produce from afar. It's a simple change with a big impact. Better quality food for less money, and a smaller carbon footprint. Tips 9. The frozen food frontier. Finally, let's explore the frozen food frontier. Frozen fruits and vegetables are often overlooked, but they're a fantastic budget-friendly option. Freezing preserves most of the nutrients, so they're just as healthy as their fresh counterparts. Plus, they can be cheaper and last much longer. Frozen produce is like having a year-round supply of seasonal favorites. Whether it's berries in winter or peas in summer, they're always available. This means you can enjoy a variety of fruits and vegetables without worrying about them going bad quickly. A bonus tip: buying frozen produce in bulk can lead to even more savings. It's perfect for smoothies, stews, or stir-fries. And here's a fun fact: frozen vegetables don't require any chopping or cleaning, saving you time in the kitchen.